Look at this pretty little thing. 1971 MG. Look at this thing. Convertible. He named her Zelda. How you doing, Zelda? We like you. We appreciate him coming in. It had a stock muffler on it in the middle. We cut it off. There it is right there. Still a work in progress. Cool little car. Got the factory motor in it. I don't even know what size it is, to be honest with you guys. But it's all factory. He bought it sight unseen on eBay and had it shipped. And then when he got it here, he's like, oh, it was rougher than he thought. So he's fixing it up little by little. He doesn't care. So it's got long tube headers, a 2-port. And then the muffler was in the middle, this muffler, but the original doesn't go there, so we cut it off and put a pipe in its place there. Then it goes over the rear end, and there's this new stock muffler that we put on it right there. As you guys see, a round muffler, and we reuse this tip to keep it factory looking. It's a cool little car. It's tiny, guys. It is really, really tiny, but it still looks really, really cool. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm doing this video because we don't have one of these on the channel. So I said, why not? Let's put it on the channel, even though it's quiet. It doesn't have to be always loud for us to put it on the channel. So if you got cool, exotic, different cars, we'd love to showcase them on our channel too. So anytime you guys are in the Nashville area and you're able to swing by with your unique car, come on by. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. The S is hidden. We had to pull it in this close to because the wheelbase is so tiny. Check it out, guys. Look, it doesn't have the top on it, but it's so cool. And it is stick shift. It's in really good shape for being a 1971. It's a really, really good shape. Not bad at all. Needs some work here and there. Still cool though. But yeah, cool little car. We'll do a walk around for you guys before we do the video. There it is. It's got a little touch MG right there. And then right there, Zelda. Not bad, not bad. I like it. It's a different look, different feel. Sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 92. Go ahead and back it up. That's cool looking car. Look where you fill it up with gas, guys. Right there. Tell me that's not different. Yeah, it's so cool. I like it. Such a tiny little car. Little sexy MG. Perfect? Yeah, he likes it. That's all that matters. Give us a cool drive off. Perfect. Cool little car.